Okay, guys, in today's Procore training, what I wanted to talk about was using the inspections. So your construction coordinator has set certain inspections for you to do in various stages of the project. And so the question is how do you go about fulfilling one of those inspections? So go to your tools, the little hammer there, and then go into the inspections tab. So I'm going to go inspections, and then here it is. So this is a drywall inspection. So this is almost like a checklist to make sure that you've done things correctly. So the first one here, did you use correct drywall? Bathroom gets green, ceilings gets 5/8, walls get 1/2 inch, and so on and so forth. And we talk about screw patterns, nailers, staggering the seams, mudding and taping. And so use this as a checklist and then go and check things off to make sure that you've done it using photos as well as the comment system here. So I'm just going to pretend to do one right here. So go into, let's do this one. Did you use 3 coats of mud? So go into it, and then you can add a photo, which this is kind of the expectation here, is that you add a photo. So take a photo. I'm going to take a photo of this drywall that is in my office. Let's say take a photo. It's from here. I can even say, okay, you know, this is my 3 coats right here. Kind of highlight that. I can even make a comment. Said, yes, 3 coats of mud took us a long time. And then finally go ahead and mark it as done. And so that is how you do one item. Obviously, you would need to do this entire inspection. And when you go back here, you can actually look at it and say, okay, I'm 1/8 done with this inspection. So this is really important, guys, because we want you to make sure that the products are done correctly to a certain spec, if you will. And this is the way of proving that to your construction coordinator and say like, hey, you know, I've done the work. It's really done well, and here's the proof of it. So that's all that the inspections are. Go ahead and make sure that you do those when your construction coordinator has assigned one to you. All right, thanks a lot. Bye.
Thanks for watching our video. Go ahead and hit the subscribe button so you can get updated on all our newest videos. Also, go ahead and click the links below so that you can see our social media profiles as well as our website.